Alright, our lights have now been brought into the Smart Blu program, and you will notice that Smart Blu auto identifies each light with a peculiar name. Now, if you want, you can choose lights to find out, maybe I want to name a light above a chalkboard, or I want to name a light within a row and you want to change the name of it. You can turn lights on and off to find out where they are. If you press and hold, you will be brought into the light dimming screen. In the light dimming screen, you will see the light ID showing in the blue bar. Simply touch the blue bar and you may now change your light name to whatever you like. Hit the backspace button, and for our purposes we'll call this test and save. Now if we go back, you'll see that the icon is now named test. Alright. You'll also notice if you touch and hold, you're brought into a light dimming screen that shows a color wheel, and it also shows a brightness bar. In this screen you can turn your individual light up and down in brightness, and you can also change the color from 2700K all the way through to 6500K, whichever color you wish to choose for your lights. You'll notice two button icons on the bottom right corner, one of a man moving. If we touch that button, you'll see that we can adjust the settings of our sensors. Each Smart Blu fixture has a motion sensor and a photo sensor embedded. Here you'll have toggle buttons where you can disable or enable sensor functions. You will notice that you'll have one time delay and a second time delay, and in the middle there's a dim level. Well, your motion detector will first start first timer delay when it fails to see any movement. Every time it sees movement, it will restart a clock. For that first clock, you can set it between 1, or you can have the light never go off to infinity, or you can choose a particular time at which the light will go to a dim level. In the dim level, you can again toggle up and down by dragging your finger back and forth to whatever dim light level you wish for the lights to express after the first time delay has timed out. And you, similarly to the first time delay, you can choose a timeout for your second time delay. Now again, you can choose not to ever go off and just stay at a dim level forever, or you can choose a time at which the lights will actually go off if the second time delay finishes its timeout. Once you've chosen the time delays you like and the dim percentages, hit save. The light will flash to show that it's accepted your settings, and then you can also save whatever color you choose and the light level that you wish to have at the top end. Hit the A button to save this auto brightness scene. When you see an A in your light icon, that means that the sensors are in auto mode and will be functioning.